Welcome to the Overview channel.
What is the most basic rule of thinking? How do we know what is true and what is false? In Western philosophy, logic begins with one strong rule. It is called the Principle of Non-Contradiction. In Buddhist philosophy, there is another method. It is called Catuṣkoṭi, or fourfold logic. Today we will understand both ideas in simple English and see how they are different and how they are not enemies. The principle of non-contradiction comes from Aristotle. Aristotle was a Greek philosopher. He explained this rule very clearly. A thing cannot be and not be at the same time, in the same way. In simple words, something cannot be true and false at the same time. For example, a door cannot be fully open and fully closed at the same time. Aristotle said this rule is the foundation of logic. Why is it so important? Without this rule, words lose meaning. Arguments do not work. Knowledge becomes impossible. Every time we speak, we use this rule. That is why Aristotle said, this rule cannot be proven because every proof already uses it. Aristotle also made an important point. If someone denies this rule completely, argument cannot help, because argument itself needs non-contradiction. Reality teaches us directly. Pain is not pleasure, fire burns. Experience makes the difference clear. Now let us turn to Buddhist philosophy. Here we find a method called Catuṣkoṭi. Catuṣkoṭi means four possibilities. For any statement, four views are examined. It is not, it both is and is not. It neither is nor is not. At first this sounds strange. It may look like contradiction, but this is a misunderstanding. Buddhism does not accept contradiction. The philosopher Nagarjuna used Catuṣkoṭi not to argue, but to remove attachment to views. All fixed ideas are incomplete. Words cannot fully describe reality. Clinging to views causes suffering, so all four views are examined, and all four are let go. Buddhism teaches two levels of truth. First is conventional truth, daily life. Language works, logic works, the principle of non-contradiction works. Second is ultimate truth, beyond words, beyond concepts. Here, Catuṣkoṭi helps us let go. Western logic asks one question: how can we think clearly and correctly? Buddhist philosophy asks another question: how can we stop clinging to thought? The principle of non-contradiction protects clear thinking. Catuṣkoṭi shows the limits of thinking. They are not enemies. They have different purposes. Logic clarifies the mind. Wisdom frees the mind.